everyone, this is Kelly and I'd like to welcome you back to the Honeybee Stamps Be Bold release, and this is day 4. And today I'm going to be getting started with a small stamp set called Goodness Gracious. So you have, well, goodness gracious, and then you've got thank you for your kindness, and you are sweeter than honey. So all those coordinate with that little goodness gracious there. There's also a coordinating die set, so you have the gracious there in a scripty word, you have a little background or shadow, and then also a banner that you can stamp those little smaller sentiments onto, as I am showing here. Now this is an A2 size card, and I've stamped out, well, goodness, and then used the die cuts for the gracious, and then put the thank you on the banner that comes in that die set. So super cool. All I did was mask off the gracious on the stamp and use the dies instead of that stamp. So that's one way you can use that, or you can use the stamp. And I just trimmed off the side of that little banner there. Super easy, super cute, lots of ways to use the goodness gracious. Here's how Carly used the well goodness gracious with the little beehive and the bees. Now this is called the Sentiment Banner die set. There are 7 dies in this set. The largest or the longest banner there is 4.5 inches. So that would fit if you wanted to clip off one side on your A2 size card, and then would for sure fit on your A7 size cards. I love how Joanne has embossed those banners and then popped a couple of them up for the well goodness and the well goodness gracious. And then Carol has cut pattern paper, and it's so simple, but it is stunning on this design. Super cute. Now this is the Stacking Star die set. There are 10 dies in this set. They all have a straight edge. You can use these and emboss these for some really cool designs like a dry emboss technique, or you can trim those dies all apart and cut your die cuts as I have done here. This is an A2 size card base, so you can see there the largest star in this set measures 4 3/4 across. So you can kind of hang it off the side there, or it would fit perfectly on an A7 size card base. There's lots of different ways to use the Stacking Stars card dies. Here Galena has used those Stacking Stars. She cut a little border of a star. She's done some ink blending. It's just awesome. Now this is the Cosmos stamp set. I love these florals. So fun to color and die cut. There are 3 large florals in this set, a little bud, and then some leaves to go along with your Cosmos. There is a coordinating die set as well, and it cuts out every little part of that stamp set, so it has everything that you need. I've stamped these and cut these out so you can see exactly what they look like when they are cut out. I'm going to get these all laid out here, and then I have some fabulous inspiration from our design team members. I love Carol's watercoloring on this card. It's just beautiful, and the twine and the little happy birthday. And then Kaya has made this beautiful purple card and the green. I love that color combination. Next up is the Grateful stamp set. So you have the beautiful scripty Grateful, but then you also have Thankful. So this is perfect going into the fall season. So you have Grateful from, oh so very, grateful for you, thank, love, friendship, and then there's also a coordinating die set. So you have the Grateful, you have that shadow, and then you have a third pure shadow. There's also a die set for Thankful. You have the scripty Thankful, a basic little shadow there, and then the pierced shadow for that one as well. Here I've cut out the Grateful just to give you a quick look at what these look like. So you have that scripty word. You have the basic little shadow in white, and then that beautiful yellow pierced shadow. I have some beautiful inspiration from our design team members. This is from Emily. I love her coloring. I love that Thankful die. It's just gorgeous. This card is beautiful. And next is from Brenda. I love this. Look at that color combination with the Grateful dies. So pretty. So last for day 4, but certainly not least, is No Problema So this stamp set has that sweet little llama. You have Ola, another birthday. You are sending you, you're a no problema, fun, one-of-a-kind, party animal, unique, love. You have a scripty llama there. Our little llama friend has a cactus, a little blanket to go across his back, little hat, and of course every llama needs sunglasses or glasses. There's a coordinating die set with this No Problema stamp set. It cuts the llama and all the little llama accessories as well as some of the words. I'm going to get all these stamped and cut out so you can see exactly what this sweet little llama looks like, and I couldn't wait to color it. So I did. Here is my little colored llama. There's the cactus, and then you have No Problema. There's a die that cuts that out. So cute. You have the scripty llama. You have Ola in the letters, and then you could also stamp that onto the little shadow or background as well. Super cute. There is a little blossom that you could put in your little llama's hair or behind its ear. Super cute. And then I love all these little accessories. I love the little blanket. It's got little fringe on the end. There's a little sombrero hat. It just makes me giggle. It's so cute. And then, of course, little sunglasses. Cute. I could just play with these all day like they're little paper doll llamas. So cute. Here's some design team inspiration, and I just love these cards from Kaya. First up, look how sweet this little llama is. I love her coloring, and it says, "Hola, party animal." And then Leanne has a gorgeous card. Look at the little pennants, the little No Problema, and her sassy pink glasses. Super cute. So this has been it for day 4. Join me tomorrow for the final day and check out honeybeestamps.com. Bye-bye.